Start by understanding what mutual funds actually are. Imagine a large pool where investors combine their money, and this collective sum is then invested in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. When you buy into a mutual fund, you're essentially purchasing a slice of this pool, giving you exposure to a wide range of investments without having to pick individual stocks yourself. Professional portfolio managers handle all the buying, selling, and research, aiming to achieve the fund's specific objectives. Leading firms like Vanguard, Fidelity, and BlackRock manage trillions in assets for millions of investors worldwide, making mutual funds a popular choice for both beginners and seasoned investors. This approach offers a simple way to access the markets with expert guidance and built-in diversification. Mutual funds come in several main types, each designed to suit different investment goals and risk levels. Equity funds invest primarily in stocks and offer higher growth potential, but with greater risk. Bond or debt funds focus on fixed income securities like government and corporate bonds, providing steadier returns and lower risk. Money market funds invest in short-term high-quality debt instruments, making them the safest option with modest returns and high liquidity. Hybrid funds blend stocks and bonds for a balanced approach, offering moderate risk and diversified exposure. By understanding these categories, you can better align your investments with your financial objectives and risk tolerance, whether you're seeking growth, income, or stability. When it comes to returns, mutual funds can offer a range of outcomes depending on the fund type and market conditions. Equity funds have historically delivered average annual returns of 10–12%, with the best years exceeding 20%. Bond funds, on the other hand, typically yield 4–6% annually. It's important to remember that returns fluctuate with the market, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. One of the most powerful features of mutual funds is compounding. By reinvesting dividends and interest, your earnings generate even more earnings over time, accelerating your wealth accumulation. Systematic investment plans, or SIPs, help you invest consistently, taking advantage of dollar-cost averaging and reducing the impact of market volatility. The longer you stay invested, the more you benefit from this compounding effect. Mutual funds offer several key advantages. Diversification spreads your risk across many securities, while professional management means experts handle all the research and trading. They're convenient to buy, sell, and manage, often requiring only a small initial investment. However, mutual funds also have drawbacks. Management fees and expense ratios can eat into your returns, and you may face tax inefficiencies if the fund distributes capital gain. Unlike stocks, mutual funds only trade once per day at the net asset value, limiting flexibility. Plus, you have no direct control over the fund manager's decisions. Understanding both the benefits and limitations helps you make informed choices that fit your financial strategy. Like any investment, mutual funds come with risks. Market risk means your fund's value can fluctuate with the broader market. Manager risk arises if the fund's strategy changes or the manager underperforms. Some funds charge exit loads for early withdrawals, and net asset value can swing with economic events. To manage these risks, diversify across multiple funds and asset classes. Embrace long-term investing. Staying invested for at least 7 years helps ride out market volatility. Scale up your contributions annually and always review fees, as even a 1% difference can significantly affect your wealth over time. By following these smart strategies, you can maximize your mutual fund success and build a resilient investment portfolio. Ultimately, mutual funds are ideal for investors seeking diversification, professional management, and convenience without the need to actively manage individual stocks or bonds. They offer an accessible entry point for building long-term wealth. However, it's essential to understand the full picture. Fees, taxes, and market risks all play a role in your investment journey. Align your fund choices with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Start early to harness the power of compounding, stay disciplined through market ups and downs, and review your portfolio annually to ensure it remains on track. With the right approach, mutual funds can be a powerful tool for growing your wealth over time.